Make 3 flowers with one technique. That's what we are going to do today. So let's start then. Hi all, welcome to my channel. Hope all of you are well and fine. We are going to make 3 flowers with one technique, as I have already told you, and the measurements of the first flower are 5 mm into 3 centimeters. 5 mm is the width of the ribbon and 3 centimeter is the length of the ribbon. We are going to burn both ends of the ribbon and give it an inward curve, and it's going to be on the wrong side of the ribbon. This way you are going to have 2 petals with one ribbon strip. When that's done, fold the petal and just burn the edge of that folded petal in a slant. This way the ribbon would melt and that end would be joined together, making it a beautiful curved petal. And we are going to make 2 petals for this one flower. I'm going to put a dot of glue in one petal, put the other petal on that dot of glue and stick these 2 petals together. Now press it down with something sharp and your flower is ready. I'm using tongs. You can use anything that's handy for you. I'm going to stick a white pearl of 4 mm in it to make the center portion of this flower. Your first flower is ready. Now we are going to make the second flower, and for this we are going to make first petals. The method of making petals is same, even the method of sticking those petals is same too. This was the flower I had made and used in decorating my bottle, and now I am uploading the video so that you can know how I made that flower. Make 2 big petals or 2 small flowers like we have made the first one, and now we are going to stick those 2 flowers together to make one flower. So when you are going to stick these 2 big petals together, remember to stick them in a symmetry. You have to take care of the petals. They should be opposite to each other so there won't be any gaps in between the petals. Again, I am going to stick one white pearl of the same size here to make the center portion of the flower, and your second flower is ready too. These are your 2 flowers, and now we are going to start the third one. The measurements are the same, but the way of cutting petals is different. Instead of cutting round petals, this time we are going to cut pointed petals. The burning technique is a bit different too. This time, instead of giving the petal a curve, we are going to burn the edges of the petal, because we want the petal to be pointed. We don't want a curved and round petal. Guys, these are the filler flowers, and you can use them in any projects, make them in any color you like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. That said, the burning technique is same too. I mean the burning technique of joining the petal. Make 4 petals for this flower too. Even the way of sticking the petals is same. But with a different shape of the petals, this flower is going to be an entirely different flower. Again, join the 2 big petals together in the same way as we have done for making the second flower. Here third flower is almost ready too. I am putting a pearl in its center, but you can put a gem if you like, gem or stone, whatever. See how easy these flowers are to make, and they are going to be really handy for your DIY projects. The technique was one, but you have got 3 flowers with that same technique. Here are your flowers. And you can see the second flower was the same flower I had used in decorating the bottle. Have a wonderful day, all of you.